Are you tired of spending money with creams, serum, Botox to try to keep your skin smooth, young, without wrinkles? Guys, if you're looking for a healthier, faster, would say even, or cheaper way to get rid of those dark spots and wrinkles, you want to know about Neotonics. It's the new supplement that will help with your skin, and I have a lot to share with you, but I promise I'm gonna be really brief with this video. I'm gonna go through the important things. I have an alert to share with you guys, tell you how is the treatment. I also have to tell you about the return policy, what are the ingredients, and few other things. So stay with me until the end, okay? Let's start off with the alert. So the alert is where you're gonna find Neotonics to purchase. Guys, keep in mind there is only one place that is selling this product, which is the official website. I want to help you out. I'm leaving the link under the description of my video, and the reason why I like to do that is because you may find other marketplaces trying to sell Neotonics, but keep in mind that this cannot guarantee that you are purchasing a safe product. Neotonics has been tested and approved by FDA facility. More than that, has been following the GMP guidelines. Aside from that, is 100% natural. There's no side effects or harm to your body, and also has no stimulants or habit forming. But if you purchase in another place, you cannot guarantee all of those components, this authentication of like quality, you know? So this can make you buy a product that you never receive. You may get it and you don't get the results you're expecting, and you're gonna get really frustrated. Or you buy it and it harm your body, that it's even worse. Imagine you want like to make your skin look great again, and then you buy something and it's just like frustrated. You just gave the first step, that is purchasing and making this change, and now you don't get it. So really disappointing. To avoid all of that, go to the official website that is down below. And more than that, in there you have a safe purchase. They have all the encrypted things to make you put your credit card without any concerns. You won't be billed more than one time. It's only one time purchase, and everything is safe in there, okay? And more than that, I always recommend like to check it out, the official website, because you can see the reviews from other people that purchased this product before and what they're saying about it. Neotonics was created after the scientists discovered the real root cause of aging skin. So cells turnover, it's a continuous process of shading the old skin and being replaced by the younger ones. This process is what allows our skin to be smooth, shiny, without wrinkles. And the medical researchers have demonstrated that actually the cells turnover, it's controlled by the gut. It's microbiome and also nutrient absorption. So basically when we start getting older, our gut also starts to age, and then our digestive system, our nutrient absorption is not as good as before. Also slows down. So subsequently, it happens with the cell turnover and also aging our skin. But don't worry, because with Neotonics, this new formula that has 500 million units of extra strong bacteria and also 9 potent natural ingredients, all combined, will be able to target the real root cause of aging skin, that is actually the gut microbiome. And I just want to go through some of those natural ingredients that you're gonna find, so then you are aware. But always check it out, the official website, for all the ingredients, so then you know exactly what you're ingesting, okay? So you have fenugreek, rich in antioxidants and also a strong moisturizer. Fennel, that repairs body tissues and also is a rich and strong vitamins. Lemon balm tightens the skin and also unclogs pores. So there are other natural ingredients. If you're curious, if you want to know exactly what you're ingesting, check it out, the official website. They have the whole list and all the benefits you get with all of them, okay? I want to also share with you how is the treatment, which is pretty easy. You just need to take 1 gummy per day. Pretty easy, pretty simple, but keep in mind, in the same way I told you in the beginning, if you made a wrong choice and bought like a wrong product, you would be frustrated. keep in mind that if you decided to make a change, if you want to have like a beautiful skin, if you want to have like your digestive system working properly, if you're making this first step, take it seriously. I'm pretty sure you're gonna get your results. Keep in mind, supplements usually take 2 to 3 weeks to start like really seeing the first differences. The body needs to get used to the new ingredients, and then within a month or two, it all depends. You are unique, so we don't have like exact formula for everybody, but within 1 to 2 months you're gonna start seeing like bigger differences. So check it out also on the official website, because I read some of the reviews and there are people saying, I was doubting about this product 2 months ago, and right now I would say that I would love to know about this product 2 months before, because the client is really happy with the results. The Neotonics return policy is super simple, and you have 60 days money back guarantee. As I said, within 1 to 2 months you are pretty sure about the results, and if you don't see results, don't worry, no questions are asked and you can have your money back. Okay, this product was made for all ages and medical conditions, but keep in mind, if you have any medical condition, just show your doctor what you're taking. It's always good to be sure that it's okay for you. Okay, that's it for today. I really hope I helped with this video. I really hope that Neotonics can help improve your life, your skin, and bring like so much glow and happiness to your life. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave down below. I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay, bye.